I think there is no need for further explanations. Because we got something to unpack. Hello, my lovely potatoes, and welcome back to a new unboxing, as you can see. So, we're at upgrade number 18, and I just got it this morning. The mail got a bit slow because it was late, but hey, I got my upgrade. I'm super happy and super excited because I didn't open it yet. And I'm always getting very excited when I'm getting new art supplies. So let's see what we get. Yes. Got some wrap things. I'm gonna put that in aside and see what's a big thing. See what we get for that. A little leaflet. Oh no, I'm not gonna look into it. Not yet. Stickers. Have stickers. Gonna keep those. Oh, and that's a nice pastel pink. I'm afraid we're gonna work with pastels. I am that good with those. And retones. Okay, so let's we have in here. Break that too much. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I hope. As I said, we're working with pastels. Oh, this is gonna be. I'm not a fan of those, but hey, and ooh, what is this? Big paint marker. Could be interesting. White coal? I've never heard of white coal. That's a new one. Well, maybe that's gonna be very cool in the future. I'm going to work with those. Oh, let's see. We have 10 different colors. I see that right. Getting these out of the package is a bit harder. We have 10 different colors, nicely packaged in foam because we don't want to break them. That's actually a pretty nice palette. I hope I can work with that. I'm a bit afraid of these because pastels are scary. Pastels are scary. Pastels incredibly scary to me. So this is going to be a hard one. I don't know what to do with that paint marker, to be honest. It's from Loop. Seems to be a bit of a brand that is in the loop. And well, let's see what I can make with these. I think I'm gonna first do some watching because I kind of want to know how they behave and they look like on the paper we've gotten. I think I'm already yes, I see the paints. I seem to be pushing a bit too hard because the tip is bending. My fault. It's always my fault. So let's. Oh, that's really thick paint. That paint is thick. Oh, nice. What kind of paint is in there? Water base. Okay, so we could technically just take a brush and spread that out with a little bit of water. And we got coal. Easy. And we got this weird white coal. Interesting. I'll be honest, this is interesting. Maybe I'm gonna use that in the future because it looks like it's nicely covering some. I'm afraid of these. I'm really afraid of these. But hey, time to try out something new, I guess. Maybe I can work with green is interesting. Have some darker tones. Oh, because hey, we need all the values that we can get. I like that gray. It's a little bit greenish. And let's see. This is why I don't like pastel sticks. They make everything dirty. I don't like getting my hands dirty, which is a bit ironic being into traditional art, but I really don't like that. White got different peachy color, so these two look very similar, but are still kind of different. Pink. Pink. And baby blue. I would call that one probably more a salmon color. And that one, yeah, that one's a baby pink. You can't tell me any different. Bleh. I really don't like getting my hands dirty. Well, I usually don't touch pastels. But I kind of like how the marker looks. Let's have a look into the bottle post. So, yeah, they use gloves, and I am not a glovey person. See? Oh, it's Rembrandt plastic. Have Royal Talents products. Royal Talents really good, really brand if you ask me. And I kind of like this marker. It's probably gonna be really fun to work. Of course, we have Quainor. Black and white coal. I'm really confused how white coal is even. And here we have artist of the month. Yes. Some old. Here you can see from the first upgrade that I reviewed some artwork, which is And the sailor of the month. So that's the artist. Hog blood arts. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go to we're going some art with pastels. I am not stoked about it, but hey, I want us to work with pastels. And okay, I have to admit, I really like this water-based marker because just look at the coverage. It's I love it. I really like it. So I really have to do a big thong what to do with those pastels. And wondering if I will ever use them afterwards. Here pastels. Let's just say I'm not a fan, but that's me. If you like stuff like that, go for it. But I can't with pastels. They are too dirty. Ah, no, no, no. Yeah, and I don't like getting my hands dirty. I really don't like getting my like work either with markers or with brushes. Well, I guess I gotta figure out what to do. So first of all, I'm really sorry that I pretty much messed up the audio on this because I just realized that you at best can hear half of what I'm saying. Um, then I will have to address some stuff. I can not stand pastels, and you can see that with the first painting that I kind of became a bit of a scrap painting. I was just messing around and was in the end really not happy with how it turned out. So I scrapped that one really quickly after realizing that this just does not look good. I at least tried, and then I went with a second try, which went a little bit better, but I'm still not happy. Not happy. Simply because I just do not like pastels. And that is not the fault of the box because I really love it and I'm definitely going to keep the subscription up because I really want to know what else I will get with this. But this just wasn't my box. They've pretty much sent me my Nemesis without knowing, and that's absolutely fine. If you love pastels, then this box is definitely for you. It's the February box of Upcrate. So if you love pastels, go for it. I don't like it. I hope that the next box is going to be better. And yeah, this piece then worked out a little bit better for me because then I just tried some stuff and tried some different stuff to go with it. Like, as you can see, I was then starting to smear with Q-tips, which worked out actually pretty good for me. Um, what I have to say is that I really enjoy using those kohl pencils. They go really well, especially if you want to highlight something. The white one is really good, and the dark one has actually a nice kohl feel to it because, well, it's a kohl pencil. What do you expect? So the theme of the Upgrade Art Challenge, which I haven't mentioned yet for some reason, was Echo, and I was actually doing a piece for that because I thought, yeah, maybe I use the prompt that I'm given to at least do something with it. And this was pretty much my idea. This human face echoing through the piece with the red scratchy background. And it went it the second try went pretty well, I have to say. The first try not so much. You've seen it. However, I would definitely keep subscribing to this box because it's kind of interesting what I'm getting. And I hope you like this review. And until then, like, subscribe, and have fun with whatever you do. Bye bye.